Yep.
Ferdinand, give me my gun, please.
Ollie, swim.
Albert.
Hi. Oh.
Okay, Albert wins.
Very good. Kaya mo na siya magpagsagot. Yay! One more.
Paano mga down-down yung dumikit? Digdig niya.
Swim.
Diyan sa umaagos. Muna tayo dito.
Albert, come on. Okay, go here. How about you go far and he'll follow you?
Come on.
One more, Ollie. Go.
My gun.
Ollie,
My
swim.
gun.
Ollie, swim.
Ito ang lalong. Ito ito. Akala ka uli rama. Lang. Ano mo yung laruan? Bacha, ganun mo ng konti yung laruan. Taas mo yung laruan. Para hindi makuha.
Probably when I shoot them behind you, start swimming. You just grab them.
Oh, scared.
Why?
Eh,
Because it's too
water ng
cold.
Diyos, oh! Sandali ba?
Woo! Dive. Ollie, dive. Oliver, dive.
1, 2,
Or else I'll
Go
shoot
to
you.
Papa.
1, 2, 3, go! Lalamig na. 1, 2,
Oh, he doesn't
Hindi.
like deep,
Hindi siya nanginginig eh.
or he's just scared.
scared.
What reason? What reason is he scared?
He was traumatized. You remember when he jumped into the pool? And then he has no vest?
Oh, so that's the best you can say?
Because of that
Yeah.
swimming pool.
Think imagine.
You see, you have your vest. Nyari kay.
Dali.
Wait,
Dulas
he
ka sa
thinks
bato?
it's the pool again? Does Oliver think it's the pool again?
Yeah. It's the same fresh water.
No! No! He gets scared. No! No! Oh man.
I'll shoot and I'll shoot that.
Scared ka lang.
Paano stop pad yung bilog?
Ay, bilag pa rin.